Hi guys, I wanted to show you guys our 2021 display during the day, and I'll show you what it looks like at night too. The sun is kind of in a bad spot, but look over here. Over here you can see our little animated snowman, the Santa Stop Here sign. Here is a penguin and Snoopy. We have Rudolph, gingerbread man. Look at this super cute chipmunk that's eating the big bumble that's 12 feet. So these are the ones we have on this side, and I'll show you a pan of the whole thing again. Let's start on the other side. Alright guys, over here we're starting with the Santa in the sleigh. We have our Yoda, Darth Vader, and other Yoda. Letters to Santa mailbox. We have Minion, Mickey, Minnie. We have a snowman. And we have a big unicorn. And we also have a big 10-foot, it's a 10-foot toy soldier. Let's go through here. On the second row, we have our nutcracker, our bear, our shivering snowman. Here is our awesome balloon. Looks pretty cool. Here is Mickey holding some gifts. This is our rodeo Santa. It says Reindeer Rodeo on the bottom. Over here you can see our snow globe. It's doing good. Here's the shivering timbers back here. And we'll go through here. You can see these guys. Over here we have a Frosty. We have Max. And of course we have Grinch. This is a 12-foot Grinch. We got it at home. And then we have Santa. This one's, we've had him for a while. Let's go this way. Over here we have our reindeer. We have two big reindeer. One with holographic horns and the other one with regular horns. Here they are, so beautiful. These are really, really big. I wish you could get the feeling for how big they were in person. Here is another snowman, so cute, and he has a cool effect at night. We have Pinkie Pie by request. We have the flamingo, the Christmas avocado. We have Woody here. We have Cinderella, Jack Skellington, Christmas Jack. Over here's Ariel, and then we have another minion over there. We also have these inflatable light bulb things. We have a hanging Santa up there. Over here we have Santa hanging from a vent. And then here we have the wreath with Santa. And we're back to these guys again. So let me give you a large pan so you could see what they look like all together. So this is what it looks like all together. I think it looks pretty good. And I'm gonna show you what they look like at night. And it looks really, really awesome at night.
Hello.
What are you doing?
We are checking out our new display.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Alright guys, so I want to show you our 2021 Christmas display, and we'll go through it. Alright guys, this is what our display looks like at night. And we'll start over here. Here's the snowman and this group. Over here you can see Scooby and a penguin. There's the gingerbread man. And our awesome Rudolph. Our munching chipmunk. And of course our giant Bumble. This guy is new. And our inflatable wreath, and up there you can see Santa hanging. Okay, so on this side we're starting out with Santa, the child. Here's Darth and the other Yoda. Letters to Santa. This one's pretty old. Minion, Mickey, and Minnie, the snowman. The unicorn. And here you can see, look at how cool the lights, the light bulbs look at night. You could really see the colors at night. Here is our Disney ones. Well, not really, but there's Ariel. Our avocado, Pinkie Pie. We got a minion over there throwing the snowball. This is our Kaleidoscope Snowman. You can see his effect so much better at night. Here are our deer. There we go. So these are pretty good and tall. There is the big Santa. Whoa. Here is the Grinch with his Max dog. And of course Frosty. Here is the balloon with Santa. Here's our bear. And our nutcracker. Here's the shivering snowman. Looks so cool at night. Mickey with a bunch of presents. Our rodeo Santa. And then the snow globe. Here you can see the pirate ship. So cute. With the anchor. See, we got our projector going. And you can't see that during the day. Also, we have our little tree lit up in the window. It's a tiny one. And the gemmy lights are on Christmas light show. You can see I put some light curtains there in the window. And then some curtains, some more lights here. Here are these LED lights I put around the door. How cool do they look? They look pretty cool, I think so. We have some LED lights here going on this eave. Down that way and on the roof over there. This is our cool projector that you hang. And look. Whoa, it kind of makes me dizzy sometimes. Here you can see more of the lights. We have some of those like those light, I don't know what they're called. They like drip. They look like they're dripping down. And then you have the hanging Santa there, and we bought some of these lights that are called Diamond Sparkle. But I think they're okay. But we like color around here. Here's the wreath, and then the projector is on the points of light is on the garage. Here's a cool angle from like the side. You could see all our pathway lights. and our gigantic display. I haven't even counted them to see how many there are. To show you what it looked like from across the street. Looks cool. Now I don't put lights on the top of the roof, on the very top, because I can't reach. And it's very steep, so I would need to put a ladder on the roof, on the garage roof, to get on the other roof, so it makes me nervous. So this is our 2021 display. Took us a while to get these all up because of the weather, but we got it done. Let us know what you guys think. What should I have added? What should I have not done? It's super festive, and everybody loves looking at it. You know, it's fun. But thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And bye.